Hey, what's up, guys? This is the trade recap for the trade I called out today in Discord. So we got 803%. So on the chart right here, I said sold short potential 200 EMA break on the 3 minute. So let's open it. So right here on the 3 minute, we had 9 EMA retest, and that's where we got our short entry. Let's go through the chart. And first context for 5 minute, I saw this. I saw we couldn't break above the 200 EMA, which is this white line right here. And then on the 3 minute, since we couldn't break above, this is just a fake out, and then this right here is where we entered. So at 9:39, and let's see where I alerted it at 5:40 a.m. So 1 minute later, we got into 9 EMA shorts, or we got into Solana shorts off the 9 EMA here with the expectation to break this white line right here. Even though we had 3 bounces, we were probably gonna break it, which we did. And here's our fill at 58.68 cents. That's the fill, and basically we just write it down until we close above this yellow line, which is the 21 EMA. And we've been writing it down from 5:39 a.m. up to 8:06. So almost 3 hours, right? So right here we just been we used the 21 EMA as a trailing stop. So as you can see right here, we didn't close above this 21 EMA, so we just hold up until we eventually do, which is right here. And now let's go to the chart. Go to the chart right here. Solana short, like I said, we shorted on this before this 200 EMA break off the blue line right here, which is the 9 EMA. And we got 36% trim, 50% trim, because remember, always take profits on the way down. And then for the EMAs, you just, for your runners. So 62% entry on the EMA, 78%, and then we started to drop 126%. And then right here, I have a chart. So we got 224%, and then here's the chart to go along with it. So right here, we just got a 9 EMA retest. We're still going down. Let's zoom in on this. Right here, right? Come back up. Since it didn't go above the yellow line, which is the 21 EMA, we just stay in the trade. Let's close these. And then we just keep going down. 385%. Another one right here, 424% or 426%. And look, right here, we're still writing down the EMAs. So this is usually how we get most of our profits. So just literally just trim on the way down and then leave runners for when we eventually just like keep running down the EMAs right here. So this is when did I send this? 6:46 a.m. So that was almost that was an hour later. So if you held for an hour, you would have had 400%, 426%. Stuff kept going down at 7:10. So 30 minutes later after that. So right here, like I said, we got this huge drop. It's a little bit chop, but since we didn't close above the 21 EMA, which is this yellow line, we still stay in. And eventually it keeps going down. So 550%, 575%, we're still holding. Look at the chart, still going down, still not above the EMA. And then 685% right here, still going down. Right, we're still riding down the EMA, which is the blue line right here is the 9 EMA, but that's not our trailing stop. Our trailing stop is the 21 EMA, the yellow line. 722% right here, and we eventually hit 800%, 803%. And then right here at 560%, this is where we fully close out the trade. So right here at our entry was 58.863, and our close price was 55.397. So let's go through chart. Let's mark that out right here. Here's our entry, and here's our close price right here. When we finally closed above this the yellow line, the 21 EMA, right? So 55.357. That is our close, right? 55.39. Oh, it's 397. All right, let's actually change this. 55.397. So we slightly closed above off this. Let's zoom in on here. I just turn off the EMAs actually. So it's only the 21 EMA. Once we close above here, this is where we closed right here on this candle at 806. Let's see, 8010. So actually between these two candles, I closed. It's either between this one or this one right here. But just to recap, Oops. Just a quick recap on the trade. Oh, hold up. Quick recap on the trade. So basically, just 5 minutes, 200 EMA break, fake out, and it's our entry. So technically, our entry was on the 5 minute, it was a 21 EMA break right here. This yellow line, or 921 EMA cross. We play on 3 minute. So fake out into 200 EMA break on a 3 minute, and it's basically just basically just ride EMAs down, you know. So let's see. We were in the trade for, like I said, almost 3 hours, 2 hours 30 minutes or something like that. And let's see if a risk to reward ratio, just by having the EMAs as a trailing stop. Short position. See, this is our entry right here, and I'll just say this is our stop above this this candle right here, or above the 21 EMA. So it is our stop right here. So if we close above, that's our stop. And then let's turn off magnet. Let's try to align this perfectly with this right here. 18, almost 19 to 1 risk to reward, just by having the EMAs as a trailing stop. So yeah, that's kind of how we caught 800% and sold the rest for 560%. So you can see right here, close price. So this was when I was fully out the trade. But yeah, just have the EMAs as your trailing stop loss. So with this method, sometimes you could hold trades for like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. You know, it just depends on if we're trending that day. So this way you could catch 1,000% plays on crypto. But some downside of this strategy is you could also we could have easily crossed right here, right? We could have easily crossed through downside, and they come back up and you sell for like at a loss or break even. So yeah, there's also that possibility, but most of the time that doesn't happen to me. So yeah, that's kind of just the trade recap for this play.